Evolution does exist and is evident through common ancestry, divergence, natural selection, and geographic isolation. In evolutionary biology, a group of organisms have common descent if they have a common ancestor. Common ancestors are species that have two or more individuals in common. This is applied to evolution because it is believed that one single cell from about 3 million years ago is responsible for all life today. One example of this would be humans and apes. Chimpanzees are our closest relative. You can tell this because of the overall bone structure and the shape of the head. Additional genetic mapping studies of the human and chimpanzee genomes have revealed that they are 98.6% identical. Divergence is the process by which an interbreeding population or species diverges into two or more descendant species, resulting in one similar or related species becoming more and more distant. An example of divergence would be the analyst lizards because they have 6 different ecological types, which are caused by the spread over a few different countries. Natural selection is the process in nature by which, according to Darwin's theory of evolution, only the organisms best adapted to their environment tend to survive and transmit their genetic characteristics in increasing numbers to succeeding generations, while the less adapted tend to be eliminated. Natural selection can be seen in the peacock flounder. They use cryptic coloration to avoid being detected by both prey and predators. This trait is considered successful and was passed on, while the fish who didn't have the ability to camouflage were more likely to die out. Geographic isolation refers to a situation where a species or population of species has become separated by a physical barrier, allowing each group to diverge along separate evolutionary paths. The effect of geographic isolation is that two populations are subjected to different selection pressures. Since the conditions in the two areas will be different, this will result in different alleles that will be selected for, and genetic differences will gradually accumulate between populations. In time, enough genetic differences will occur so that the two populations will no longer interbreed. Then, by definition, they will have become different species.